Alright, lad, what you be doing?
Oh, hello. I am making chicken naan today. Welcome to our kitchen. Naan is a flat bread. You can make that with flour, all-purpose flour, or wheat flour. I'm going to make that with all-purpose flour, and naan can be flat or plain, but it can also be filled with various things. For example, chicken or beef or turkey or even potatoes. I'm going to make chicken naan today, and chicken naan is going to be really delicious, and I will have you take a look when it's done. But I'm going to put together the filling for the chicken naan first, and the filling would include, of course, the chicken, and it will take about 2 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. It will also have some fresh coriander and fresh mint, and then we have some spices, salt, about teaspoon to teaspoon and a half, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt, about that much black pepper, and then you can have some ground coriander, about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and about 1 teaspoon of what we call garam masala. And garam masala is a blend of various spices coming from. And then we have red chili pepper, about half teaspoon, and some turmeric, about half teaspoon of turmeric. Then we have ground, of course we have ginger chopped, but then we also have garlic, about a teaspoon of garlic and about a teaspoon and a half of ginger. And I'm finally chopping the onion here, about 2 medium onion, as I said. And once it's all done, we will mix this. So once we have our onion all chopped up, we're going to mix the chicken, onion, and the spices into this bowl. I think what I forgot to do is to chop these greens, the ginger and coriander. It smells really good. Very nice. You can leave this large pieces of coriander and mint leaves as well if you like. It's really how you like to taste and feel the texture when you make the naan. And now that we're done with that, I usually like to wear a glove just to make sure that it doesn't burn my hands. So here's the chicken. We are going to add the chicken and the onion together, and then we'll add the spices as well. So I may have mentioned that the chicken that we have, it's already ground. We got it from the local store, and it's about 1 pound of chicken with the rest of the ingredients that I mentioned. Once you mix it all really well, you can let it sit and get really well put together. There we have it. That's the filling of the chicken naan. chicken and the spices. And in our next video, we will show you how to make the dough and make the naan. So long. Talk to you soon.